What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hazard and door lock switch on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. All right, to pull this switch out, actually, I'm going to start with just pulling this cup holder out. Take a straight blade screwdriver. If I go in under here, and just pry up, get underneath there. Takes a little bit of finagling. You can push the button right up. That way you don't scratch anything if you were to pry in there. It slides out. Disconnect the connector. Pull it out. There you go. Here's the old switch. Here's the new switch from 1AAuto.com. Has the same shape. It's the same size. Has the same buttons in the same locations. Get yours at 1AAuto.com and you can do it yourself. Take the new switch, line the connector up, lock it in place. You just slide this right in there. Push it down. Okay, so when you install the cup holders, there's these two little feet. They're not on that side, they're on this side. That goes towards the back. You're gonna slide that in first, get that lined up, and then push down on the front.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.